Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we re-diving deep into a question that S on every crypto investor's mind. What can we really expect from Bitcoin and the broader crypto market in the coming months? It's a complex landscape filled with both incredible opportunities and significant risks. Before we jump in, please do me a huge favor. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on the market. Your opinions are so important to this community, and I read every single one. Also, hit that like button. It truly helps the algorithm show this video to more people who might find it useful. Now, a quick but very important disclaimer. Nothing in this video or on this channel should be taken as financial advice. My goal is purely educational, to share information and perspectives on the world of finance and crypto. Always do your own research and consult with a professional before making any investment decisions. Your financial future is your responsibility, and it's crucial to be... Alright, let's get into it. The current market is fascinating. We've seen periods of incredible highs and some pretty gut-wrenching lows. Bitcoin, as the market leader, sets the tone for everything else. When Bitcoin is bullish, altcoins tend to follow, and when it dips, the whole market feels the chill. So, what's the outlook? Many analysts are pointing to several key factors that could drive the next major market cycle. First, we have the ongoing adoption by institutional investors. Big players are entering the space, bringing with them massive capital and a sense of legitimacy that was missing in the early days. Second, there's the technological development. We're seeing constant innovation in the DeFi space. NFTs are evolving beyond just digital art, and Layer 2 solutions are making blockchains faster and cheaper to use. These advancements are creating real-world utility, which is the foundation for long-term sustainable growth. However, we also have to consider the macroeconomic environment. Things like inflation, interest rates, and global regulations play a huge role in investor sentiment. When traditional markets are shaky, investors often look for alternative assets, and crypto can be one of them. But at the same time, regulatory uncertainty can create fear and cause people to pull back. It's a balancing act, and predicting the exact movements is impossible. That's why a diversified strategy is so important. You don't want to put all your eggs in one basket? Looking at Bitcoin is essential. But it's also smart to keep an eye on promising altcoin projects that are building something unique and have a strong community behind them. These are the projects that could potentially outperform the market during the next bull run. But how do you find them? It takes a lot of research. Looking at the team, the technology, the tokenomics, and the community engagement. This search for projects with real potential and strong fundamentals that leads me to explore different corners of the market. And lately, I've been looking at projects like BRIC TORM. Now, what is it that makes a project stand out in such a crowded space? For me, it comes down to a few key things. A clear vision, a dedicated team, and most importantly, a passionate community. A project can have the best technology in the world, but without a community to support it, use it, and spread the word, it's just code. That's why I'm looking at projects like BRIC TORM. From what I've seen, BRIC TORM isn't just a token. It's being presented as a power surge built for the long haul. The narrative they're building is one of strength and endurance. They claim the foundation is set and the community is strong. They're now talking about creating their own momentum, which is a very interesting concept in the crypto world. Community-driven initiatives can be incredibly powerful. When a group of people believe in a project and decide to act together, they can make a real impact. They are openly discussing a coordinated buying effort. The idea is to ignite the charts and send a powerful signal to the entire crypto market. Their stated goal is to create a sharp, visible green candle on both the BSC and Solana charts. Now, this is a bold strategy. It's not just about pushing the price up for a moment. They're framing it as a move for psychological dominance. There's a saying in trading: the chart is the best marketing. A strong upward trend attracts attention, brings in new eyes, and creates a feedback loop of excitement and new investment. This is what they seem to be aiming for. They want to show the market that their community is organized, dedicated, and has the power to move the needle. It's an attempt to stand out from the thousands of other projects vying for attention. It's a higher risk, higher reward strategy for sure. Such coordinated efforts can sometimes fizzle out, but when they work, they can create a massive wave of momentum. It all depends on the strength and conviction of the community. Can they rally enough people to make a significant impact? That's the million-dollar question. BRIC TORM is positioning itself as more than just another memecoin. They're calling it a movement. This language is very deliberate. Memecoins can sometimes have a negative connotation, suggesting a lack of substance or long-term value. By calling it a movement, they are trying to tap into a deeper sense of shared purpose and identity among their holders. They want people to feel like they are a part of something bigger than just a simple investment. They are urging people not to freeze, but to ride what they're calling the crypto eruption. This kind of marketing is designed to create a sense of urgency and excitement. It's a call to action. In the fast-paced world of crypto, FOMO, the fear of missing out is a powerful motivator. When people see a project gaining momentum and a community rallying together, they don't want to be left behind. This is the psychology that projects like this try to tap into. It's about building a narrative that people want to be a part of. Now, looking at the bigger picture, this strategy highlights a key aspect of the modern crypto market. It's not just about technology anymore. It's about marketing, community building, and creating a powerful story. A project can have a solid use case, but if it can't capture the imagination of the market, it will struggle to gain traction. On the flip side, a project with a compelling narrative and a passionate community can achieve incredible things. Even if its technology is not revolutionary, it's the combination of both that often leads to the biggest successes. So, as we navigate the current market, it's worth paying attention to these different strategies. Look at how projects are building their communities. Look at the narratives they are creating. And always, always be critical and do your own deep dive. Don't just follow the hype. Understand the risks involved, especially with community-driven price movements. These can be extremely volatile. The price can go up quickly, but it can also come down just as fast. This is why education is your best tool. The more you understand about market dynamics, tokenomics, and community sentiment, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Join community discussions on platforms like Discord or Telegram and see for yourself what the vibe is like. Is the community genuinely passionate and engaged, or is it all just hype and empty promises? The answer to that question can tell you a lot about a project's long-term potential. As we look forward, the crypto market will continue to be a place of immense innovation and opportunity. Bitcoin will likely lead the charge, but the real gems are often found in the altcoin space, when new ideas and passionate communities are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Keep learning, stay curious, and be strategic. The journey in crypto is a marathon, not a sprint. Thank you so much for watching today. Remember to like the video and subscribe for more content. I'll see you in the next one.